Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 7 of Python tutorials for Get Challenge. In this video, we will be learning about input functions in Python. So if you have not visited the Python tutorials for Get Challenge, go and visit it and don't forget to subscribe for the video. So I am reinstalling Python as all the files got deleted because there was some problem in this PC. So let us start. I will quickly open the Python IDE and update a new file. So to take input from the user, we have to use input function and we can write the text. I want to take input, I want to take name from the user and then write enter your name and I can use colon. So I'll save the document, run the module, I'll tell it in file actually, I'll read 7 input. And now if I run the module, I get enter your name and I can type my name. So you can type anything, integer, float, or an string. So if you want to print the input tag, you have to put the input function inside a variable and you have to print the variable. Such as I kept my variable as A, now I print A and I type my name, I got here. So this is how you can use input function. So now let us make a small project which is calculator. So to make a calculator, I'll make another variable as b and I'll write here enter your second number and I'll change this first one to enter your first number. And now if I use a plus b and 2 and 3, I got 22, but I should get 23 now. So we got 23 here because we should get 5 here, but we got 23. So we got 23 here because this is and string. So if I print this type of A and type of B2 and run the module, we get classes, classes. So to convert string to an integer, we have to use int function. So int function helps to convert string to integer. So I'll quickly write here and if I run the module and type my first number as 21 and 2, I get 22. So now it's showing class integer instead of class string. So this is how you can use input function. So you can also add lots of numbers such as c equals to enter your third number and a plus b plus c. So if I run the module now, 2, 21, 3, 4, we get 28. This is how you can use a simple calculator in Python. So if you have not subscribed, go to CodeWithNiranjan and subscribe it and don't forget to visit the Python tutorials for this.